Count-if formulas can be very useful if I want to take a tally of the number of wrong answers given by students. For example, question 11 was only mastered by 10% of my students, meaning only 10% of my students answered it correctly. The gray boxes indicate correct answers, the red boxes indicate the incorrect answers, a red blank box incorrects, no answer was given. So let's get started. I go all the way to the end of my data. I've already created a count-if formula for the letter D. Only 6 of my students answered letter D incorrectly. Now let me show you how I do it. I begin by typing an equal sign and the word count, if, as one word, no space. I open up a parentheses, and then I type in the range for the row that I want to count letters in. The range is C3 through BK3. So you can see here, BK is the last column to give an answer, and C was the first column where I started. This blue box highlights to make sure that you can visually see that you entered the correct range. Back to our formula. Next, I type in a comma, and the criteria is the letter that I'm looking to count. In this case, it's the letter A. It must be put around quotations. Then we close the parentheses and we press enter. There it is, 10 students answered A. Now we're going to do it one more time for B. So we begin with an equal sign, count, if, open parentheses, type in the range, and name the criteria, which is letter B, here. Those quotation marks are very important. It will not work without the quotation marks. Voila. 39 of my students answered B incorrectly, which makes it the most popular wrong answer.